This video covers the unboxing, installation, and sound test of the Sony BRAVIA Theatre Bar 8 soundbar. Let's begin with the unboxing. The Sony BRAVIA Theatre Bar 8 is a premium soundbar designed to deliver an immersive home theater experience with advanced audio technologies such as Dolby Atmos, DTS, and 360 Spatial Sound Mapping. It features an 8-channel configuration with a total of 11 speakers, supports high-resolution audio. It also supports music streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple AirPlay too. What's inside the box? Inside the box, there are two main items, the soundbar itself and a smaller box containing the accessories. Let's unbox the accessories now, here, showing each accessory one by one. Here is a summary of the contents inside the accessories box, followed by more details about what's included. Now, let's remove the protective packaging from the accessories, starting with the documents. Next, there are two screws, to feet, an HDMI cable, and a remote control. The box also includes two batteries for the remote control. This is how you install the batteries in the remote. Next, let's unwrap the packaging from the soundbar by carefully removing it. Soundbar ports and indicators. How to install the foot of the bar speaker. This is where the foot of the bar speaker attaches, located at the bottom. Install the feet one by one and secure them with the screws. How to connect the bar speaker to a TV. Prepare the HDMI cable to connect the soundbar to the TV. Connect the HDMI out TV ERC jack on the soundbar. Then to the HDMI in jack that is compatible with ERC on the TV using the HDMI cable. If your TV has a center speaker mode, connect the TV center speaker mode cable to the S-center out of the soundbar and the other end to the S-center speaker in on the TV. Prepare the AC power cord for connection to the AC inlet on the soundbar. Then, connect the AC power cord to the AC inlet on the soundbar. Set up with Sony BRAVIA Connect app. Download and install the Sony BRAVIA Connect app or scan the QR code. Ensure all connections are properly made and connected to the power source for both the TV and the soundbar. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Here's a quick look at what setting up the soundbar using the app looks like. For more details, please refer to the product's reference guide or visit the website. Sound test. The video and audio tests were recorded using only a cell phone. For the unboxing and installation of optional speakers, such as the subwoofer, please refer to the separate video on this channel.